Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, we're going to talk about some superfoods that are packed with essential nutrients. Let's dive right in. First up, we have fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for maintaining heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Next, we have eggs. They're a complete protein, rich in choline, which is essential for brain and liver health. Eggs also contain a range of other nutrients, making them a fantastic addition to any diet. Moving on, we have legumes like lentils, beans, and chickpeas. They're a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote gut health. Lastly, we have lean meats like chicken breast and turkey. They're high in protein and low in saturated fat, making them a great choice for those looking to build muscle or maintain a healthy weight. Remember, a balanced diet is key to overall health and well-being. Incorporate these superfoods into your meals and snacks, and you'll be on your way to a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of nutrition and explore some amazing superfoods that are packed with heart-healthy fats, protein, and omega-3 salve. So, let's get started. First up, we have almonds. Did you know that almonds are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy? They're also rich in protein and fiber, making them a great snack option. Plus, almonds are a good source of vitamin E, which is important for maintaining healthy skin and eyes. Next, we have walnuts. These little nuts are packed with omega-3 salve, which are essential for heart health. Walnuts are also a good source of protein and fiber, and they contain a unique blend of antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. Now, let's talk about chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a great source of protein, fiber, and omega-3s. They're also high in antioxidants and contain a good amount of calcium, making them a great addition to your diet. Moving on to flax seeds. These little seeds are a great source of omega-3 salve and fiber. They're also high in lignans, which are a type of plant compound that may have health benefits. Now, let's talk about pumpkin and sunflower seeds. These two seeds are great sources of zinc and magnesium, which are important for maintaining healthy bones and muscles. They're also a good source of protein and fiber. So, there you have it. These superfoods are packed with heart-healthy fats, protein, and omega-3 salve, making them a great addition to your diet. Thanks for joining us today. And don't forget to like,